The world-renowned batsman Chris Gayle is taking over India as his single Jamaica to India has racked up 18 million YouTube views and is #1 trending in India. All this since its release just 10 days ago. Popularity in India isn't new to the cricketer turned recording artist, but his collaboration with Indian pop artist Emiwe Bantai has Chris on a celebratory high. Chris Gayle, in speaking with ePrime, says he is happy for the breakthrough as he ventures into music.
It's a fantastic feeling. Words can't explain, to be honest with you. And for a change as well, it's not coming from a cricketing point of view this time. You know, it's music now. It's music. Chris Gayle is the universe boss, #1 in India. So I get my first #1 in India. I'm grateful and I'm very, very thankful. India, I always call India my second home, but this couldn't have been possible without Emiwe. So I want to give a big shout out to Emiwe. We did the collab together, Jamaica to India, and boom, went straight to #1. And when it's cricket time, still do my thing, and cricket is my #1 priority. And, music actually, playing, the second career now, which is fun. And I'm enjoying both of them as I go on. So I really give thanks.
Rich laugh. Just keep on the ocean front. Cuban cigar in a mouth, not blunt. Anywhere we are do it anyway. We will feel rich life we are live every day. Gyal a bubble so you know that's trouble. Pockets deep, you'd swear it's a puddle. Remember the days when we never had nothing. Now a 3-course meal, steak and mutton.
The Universe boss is not slowing down either, as he also released the remix for his 2020 Choco Loco with the Triple Century Records team member Kamar Flavor. Choco Loco is Chris's way to empower black women around the world.
1,000 marks on my pass for the more 6F. Trouble when we roll or the X6.
The 39th International Reggae and World Music Awards IRAMA has been postponed. The event was originally slated for May 2 but has been pushed back by 2 weeks. In a statement, president and producer for IRAMA, Ephraim Martin, says the date change is necessary to ensure production and representation of an incomparable event while maintaining COVID-19 protocols. Over 100,000 reggae and worldwide music fans across the globe have cast their ballots and are anticipating the results, and the star-studded celebration under the theme Reggae World Music still rise. And now news overseas. Taylor Swift continues to make and break records. According to Billboard, she notched her 9th #1 album with the debut Fearless, Taylor's Version. This makes her the first woman to ever score 3 new #1 albums in less than a year, following last year's Folklore and Evermore. Fearless, Taylor's Version is the re-recorded addition to her 2008 Fearless album, which also hit #1 on the Billboard 200 chart. In February, she became the first woman to win the Grammy for Album of the Year 3 times, after taking home the trophy for Folklore. I'm Tadran reporting for ePrime.